digraph सीखेंगे. Yes, very good morning, children. We are going to learn digraph. Okay. Now, what is a digraph? अभी तक हमने single sound सीख लिए हैं, यानी कि A to Z. If you don't recollect, I will again repeat it so that you can know the sounds. Okay. And then we'll proceed further. Right? Okay. So we read this as A, B, K, D, E, F. So you may think that we are in the 7th standard. Why are we learning ABCD? It's because if you know all the sounds, you can blend and read unfamiliar words also. Okay. The big spellings which you're finding it difficult to memorize, you will be able to blend and read it, right? So you should know the single sounds so you will understand what is a digraph, why we are writing CH, why we are writing SH, why we are writing TCH, why we are writing CH. All this is what we are going to see today. Okay. We have just been memorizing our spelling every time, like memorizing the spelling like WATCH, watch. But you can blend and write watch. You can blend and write. That is what we are going to try and teach you, that you can become independent readers, right? So let's do this now. A, B, K, D, E, F. This is A, this is E, right? F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, E, V. This is A, this is E. You can find the difference, right? Then that is W, this is V, this is W, Y, Z. Okay. So now today it's going to be very interesting. We are going to learn about how does CH makes three sound. CH has three sounds. What are the sounds it makes? It sometimes makes the ch sound, sometimes makes the sh sound, and sometimes it makes the k sound. CH has how many sounds? Three sounds. Ch, sh, and k. CH makes three sounds. Now you may wonder, how do I know? For example, if I'm writing over here, this is, you cannot read this as like this. Kh-amp. You don't read it like this. Kh-amp. No, you don't read them as single sound. Whenever you see CH together, you should read it as double sound. That is what is called as digraph. So what is a digraph? When two letters are together and they make one sound, that is called a digraph. Okay. Right. So now we have already learned the SH, like shop, shop. Okay. We have already learned SH words. Shop, at, shut. All this we have learned already. Today we are focusing on CH, but it doesn't stop in making one sound. It is making three sounds. What are the three sounds? One is ch, one is sh, one is k. All right, three sounds. So like we saw over here, ch, a, p, champ. Now you tell me, how do you read this one? Can I read this one as ch? If I read this as ch or the chord, it will come wrong. If I use the ch sound over here, it is wrong. So how do I know? I have to use the k sound over here. What ch makes? K or the chord. So this is right. Okay, so this is how CH makes three sound. But 90% of the words CH makes this sound only. Ch, 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 ch. 90% of the words CH makes ch sound. Only 10% of the words CH sometimes makes sh sound, sometimes makes k sound. Now, like now in sh, like I want to write on a nonchalant. It's not chalant, nonchalant. Okay, so this is how you write it like that. Sachet, sh, s, a, she. cache. This one is making sh sound. Okay, so we will see different words through activity now. Now that you know CH makes three sound, one is ch, one is sh, one is k. Okay, so we will see through activity, we will see both SH and CH together. Then we will come back to TH and CH. Do you want me to repeat the single sounds? If you want me to repeat, please tell me repeat in the chat box. If you are able to follow me, please let me know. If you want me to repeat, please type R. Okay? I'm looking at the chat box. Because phonics might be new to y'all, right? Now, over here, I've kept very basic words for you to easily understand the concept. Now here, as I told you, these both are digraph. What is a digraph? When two letters are combining to become one sound, SH and CH. SH makes sh sound, CH makes ch, 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 ch sound, right? So let's see this now. How do you read this now? Sh, op. Okay, so this comes here. You should not read this as like single sound. Over here, s, ha, saha, 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 op. If you read single sound, it will become saha, op. So whenever you see S and H together, you should read it as a digraph. You should read it as up, shop. You got it? If you read single sounds, you will get the pronunciation wrong. Okay. Now this one again, this is SH. So we will read this as a digraph. Ship. So you don't have to by heart the spelling SHIP ship. You don't have to by heart. You just have to blend and read. You can do it. आपको by heart करने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपको rote learning करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You just have to blend and read. Ship. Now look at this. A ch rich. Now CH is making ch sound. H rich. Ch in chin. See how I'm able to blend and read. I am not by hearting the spelling like मैं rote learning नहीं कर रही हूँ. CHIN chin, RICH rich. I am not doing that. I am blending and reading in front of you. Ch in chin. H rich. Look at this. The ish. Ish. What does SH makes? So SH can come in the beginning also, can come in the end also. Like over here, CH has come in the end also, beginning also. Look at this. Dish. Yeah. At chat. Ch at chat. So this will come here, correct? See, everything in front of you, I'm blending and reading. I am not memorizing. Fish, fish, fish. Yeah. Oh, job. Good. Very good job. Job. So you're able to understand, children, that how we can possibly blend and read. So when you put the sounds together, that is only called as blending. You are blending and putting the sounds together to read the word. Okay. So we shall submit our answers. Okay, the children who have not written, please write it down so that you know that SH makes sh sound and CH makes over here ch sound. So we have done a couple of words which start with SH and end with SH. The similar way we have done words which start with CH and ends with CH, which makes ch 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 sound. Okay, if you want me to go still slower, let me know. Right. So let's proceed more now to look in where and all CH is making sounds. We will see different sounds of CH. Now you can look here, select the words in which CH makes sh sound. So if you have to blend and read. Now, if you ask me, how do I possibly know when to say sh, I mean ch as sh, when to say k, or when to say ch, you have to, instead of memorizing the entire spelling, you have to understand that in this particular word, what does ch makes. Now, can we blend and read? Yes. Now look at this. Bruh, bruh, b and bruh, bro, sure. CH is making over here SH sound. So I will underline this to show you the digraph. It is making the sound as SH, like sh, brochure, brochure. That's how you do. You don't say this as brochure or broker. You will not read this as ch or k. You will read this as sh. So this is how you do the correct pronunciation. Browser, browser. Okay. Now over here, the ch is making ch sound. W, e, ch. Over here, what is it making? The ch sound only. Right? It's making the ch sound. Let's see this one. Over here, again, we have identified there is a digraph. CH is making over here sh sound. Calvary. It is not Calvary. It is not Chalvary. It is Shalvary. Sh, sha, it I is sounding shall Larry. Y is making the E sound. All this I have already taught y'all. If you are not seen the videos, please go and see. Shalberry. Okay, look at this. Ah, k, k. They over here, ch is making the k sound. Anchor. It's not anchor or it is not answer. It's anchor. Okay. Now look at this. Sachet. 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 Over here also it is making the sh sound. So you will learn the correct pronunciation of English. Okay, beta? Sachet. You read this as sachet, not sachet. Give me one sachet of ORS. It's not that way. It's sachet. Okay? Search. Over here, this is making the ch sound again. Search. It's making the ch sound. Okay? So what is the question now? The question is, where and all CH is making the SH sound. So we found the answers. One is this, one is brochure, one is shalvary, and one is sachet. Right? These three are the words. Okay? So let's click on to them. Brochure, shalvary, and sachet. Let's go to the next. Can you all try blending and reading? Like how I taught you, can you all blend and read? Over here, it's making the ch sound, cheer, cheer. Here, many of you do a mistake over here. Many of you read this as chef, ch sound. No, it is not chef, it is chef. Sh, it is sh sound. Over here, it is chef. You will not say this as chef. You will say it as chef, chef. Okay? Over here, what is the question? They're asking us the k sound. This is the ch sound. Here, k order, cord. This is the k sound. K, cord, cord. Yes, girls middle high school, you joined just now. I am explaining in English. We in ch makes three sound. One is the ch, one is the sh, and one is the k. Since you joined just now, I'm trying to explain you again. So we are trying to identify over here what are the sounds. This one, look at this. This also many of you make mistakes. You read this as orchid. It's not orchid, it's orchid. K, k, k sound. Here it makes the orchid. Orchid, orchid. All right, orchid. There. Over here, this is, what do you read this as? Shink, sh. This one is sh, sh, Chinook. It's Chinook. It's not Chinook. It is not Kinnock. It is Chinook. This one is again sk, sk, k, im. This one is k. This one is ch. So what is the question, my dear children? What is the question? Okay, so we now identified in each letter, in each word, what does CH makes. Over here, CH is making ch sound. Over here, CH is making sh sound. Here, it's making k. And following, I have given the words like in scheme, Chinook, and orchid, right? So many of times these are very common words like chef and orchid, where people pronounce it as chef and orchid. It's not orchid, it's orchid, right? Yes. So what does the question says over here? Select the words in which CH makes k sound. So we got our answers. In orchid, CH makes k sound. In chord, CH makes k sound. And in scheme, CH makes k sound. Is it clear? So shall we tick on to them? Yes. So what are the answers over here? Chord, orchid, and scheme. Right. Is this concept new to you? Have you come across this? If it's new, please type in the chat box. It's new. Would you like to know more about phonics? Please let me know in the chat box. If yes, please type yes. I would appreciate your conversation with me so that I can really tailor my classes accordingly. Select the conversation in which CH makes now over here ch sound. Ch, ch, ch. You have to see where and all it makes ch sound. So let's see this one. It's over here. Let me annotate for you. This one is ch, ch, ch. It is the chisel. Chisel. Ch, chisel. Qu, qu, Q-U or Q will always come with you. When Q and U comes together, you'll read it as qu, 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 eh, in quen, ch, ch, ch. Over here also, it is making CH sound. Quench, right? When you make sounds, you put them like this into these lines. Now, what does this make as? Tell me the next one. How do you read that? Do you read it as charge in, or Kajin or Shajin? How do you read it as? Let me know, right? Do you read this as Chajin or Kajin or Karjin? Please tell me. So do you read it as, what's the sound saying? It's Shajin. Okay, so we will read this one as Shajin, Shagrin, Shagrin. Now this one is hunch. So over here again CH. So we have got our three sounds where it is making the CH sound. Ch 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 ch. Over here it's making as chrome k k k again. Right? And here again it is making monarch k k k k k. Okay, monarch k k. You don't read it as monarch, monarch or monash. Okay, right. So let's tick on to our action, right? Shall we tick? Yes? Yes. Now we got our answers. CH is making the ch 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 sound like in chisel, quench and hunch. So let's click on to the answers. Yes, chisel, quench and hunch. Now we will go to our next. Select the words in which CH says sh sound. So you have to select the sh sound. Can you do this for me? Can you type in the chat box where it makes sh sound? Can you type it for me? Yes. Shallot. Yes, it says, I'll just annotate it for you. Yes, over here it makes sound shallot. Shallot. Stomach. K, k, k. Over here CH is making the k sound. Over here CH making the Chinook. Nonchalant is making the sh sound. And in scholar, it is making the, over here, it's what is the question saying? What is the saying? CH. So we have SH. So shallot and Chinook and shallot. We have got our answers, nonchalant and shallot and Chinook. These are the three answers where CH is making SH sound. So let's click on to the answers. Shallot, Chinook, and nonchalant. Shall we go to the next activity? I hope now you have understood the concept very well, right? You want to do more words or can we go to the next concept? Please let me know through the chat box. Yes. So over here, CH again says k sound, like in orchestra and orchestra. See here, k sound, orchestra, character, and technique. Over here also technique. So these are the three answers. So I'm just go if since we can see the other activities, I'm just clicking on the answers. Over here, CH makes ch sound like approach. Ch. Here, bleach. Bleach. Then chase. A's, chase. Right, very good. So you all understood that CH makes three sounds. One is ch, one is sh, and one is k. So you note down your answers. Whoever has not written, please note down your answers. So CH makes sh sound in browser, Shalbury, and sachet. Sachet. Then CH makes k sound in chord, orchid, and scheme. CH makes ch sound in chisel, quench, and hunch. CH makes SH sound in shallot, chinook, and nonchalant. CH makes k sound in orchestra, character, and technique. Then we have CH makes ch sound in approach, bleach, and chase. Okay. So next we will move on to, I will come on to the board and then we will learn a new concept if we have time and then go on to the other. Yes, we have more 5 minutes. So shall we do the activity? So I will teach you maybe the activity. We will go to the next class, but we will learn the concept of TCH and CH. Now you would have seen like these words. When we read this, ch, only three sounds are coming. Ch. So, okay, here TCH is making the ch sound. But here again, b, e, n, ben, ch. So you can see you're in the end when it's ending in ch, sometimes it is making TCH, sometimes it is making CH. Okay, so when do you know, how do you possibly know whether to write TCH or CH? In phonics, we have vowels, right? A, E, I, O, U. We have A, E, I, O, U. When it makes the long sound, when it's telling the name, A, E, I, O, U, it's the long sound. When it's telling its sound, like A, E, E, O, this is called the short sound. Short sound, that is vowel sound is short over here. Again, I repeat this. Long vowel sound means it will tell its name, A, E, I, O, U. Short vowel sound means it will tell its sound, A, E, O, Is it clear? So, whenever you find this, like this, it's making the A sound. That time you should put this TCH. What will you do? Whenever you find the short vowel sound, you will write this one. Okay. Whenever you find a consonant and or a long vowel sound, You will write CH. I will rub the board and repeat it for you. One minute. I will explain to you better. Okay, now let's do this. Now, as I told you, these are the long vowel sound A, E, I, O, U. When it's short, we will represent like this: A, E, O, A. Okay, now, which sound is coming? This one is coming. So, I will write only this TCH. Match, latch, batch, pitch, per, eh. Which sound is coming? This one. P, A. So I will write this TCH only. Okay. Did you get it now? Like over here, can you see this? This is a consonant. So whenever consonant comes, consonant or long vowel, you will write CH. Short vowel, you will write TCH. Is it clear? So did you understand now? Am I clear now? Look at here. B, E. Both E and A are together making this E sound. All this also I will be teaching you. Double E, double E, E, A, I, E. All these also making E sound. All this also I will be teaching you in phonics. Okay, double vowels. Okay, all this I will be teaching you. For now, just understand that when it is making E sound, B, E, ch, you will put this C. You will not write like this, B, E, ch. This is incorrect. You will not write bench like this. This is incorrect. Is it clear? Yes. You want me to repeat again? Please type in the chat box. Repeat. Otherwise, I will proceed for an activity. Can we see? Yes. So whenever you have long, when you're writing, match, someone is giving you dictation words, match. What will you do? Ah, I heard this sound, match. So I will write this. TCH, I will write. P, pitch, P, E. I heard this sound. So I will write this TCH. I will not write pitch like this. This is wrong. Okay? Right. Anything else you want me to write? Like you want to write, what to say? I'll share an activity. We have 1 minute time. I'll just quickly share an activity so that you can understand it more better. Look at this now. Bruh and it's ending in consonant. So what will it come? CH only will come. Okay. Now see, look at this. D, E, E. A short sound is coming. Ditch. It is ditch. So I will write this TCH only. B, A, batch. This TCH only will come. No CH. Bench. Consonant is coming. So I will write this bench. Munch, consonant has come. So I will write this CH only. Fetch, short sound is coming. So I will write only this. Bunch, consonant has come. So I will write this CH only. Hitch, short sound has come. So I will write this only. So you got it right? Yes. So over here, the short sound E has come. That's why we are writing over here TCH. Okay. Right. Ditch. Batch. Batch. So that's all for today. I hope you understood the concept. Yes, you what is when to write CH and when to write TCH. I hope this class was informative. Please do let me know in the chat box. Was it informative? Do you want more classes on this phonics? Let me know so that accordingly I'll tailor make my classes. Please let me know in the chat box. Come on. I'm watching you on the in the chat box, right? Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your feedback. I'll take it up. Jai Vidya Shakti, Jai Bharat, Jai Hind. Dhanyavad. Thank you, sir.